What's up, family? Man, I supposed to be getting in the shower. I just got through going live. I hear a truck out here loping. I'm walking down here to my boy's spot, Rick Tents. He do tent down here. His kinfolk just pulled up in this little Chevy truck, man. Hold up. He say he had to take his back rims off because it was rubbing, so he gotta do something back here in the back to put his other wheels back on. But this what he rocking right here though. Hey man, this mug sound good. Boy, I see some lights in there. Look like a bunch of speakers. Oh yeah, so I know what he's sounding like. Oh yeah. Man, watch how this mug sound. This is my boy Rick truck right here. He just put the lift and the big wheels on there. He coming on with it. Now he the one passed by my videos. And he got all this in here. Now he loud. That's my boy Rick right there. He do tent. His truck windows be so dark in the daytime when he pass by, he gotta stop and roll the window down to chunk the deuce. This is my boy Rick right here, y'all. Anybody in H-Town, y'all need some tent done, holler at Rick Tent. Hey, where your, oh, here we go, right here. Let me see. Rick Tents. Yeah. That boy do that tent down here, man. He do his thing. Rick Tents. He got everything. I want y'all to hear this truck. That's what you finna put on here? Oh yeah, that boy finna put them on there. Damn, them hoes bright, fool. Hey, you gonna crank it up for me? Let me hear it. The inquiring people wanna hear it. Yeah, y'all let my boy Rick Tents, man.
Pretty bright.
Mm-hmm. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That boy coming on with it. Yes, sir. Y'all hear that? Yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 Alright. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah. That thing sound good, man. I like that. I like that. Yeah, y'all tune in, man. Hey, that boy sounded good, y'all. I'll let y'all later.